Hey guys, welcome back to Squirrel Pursuit. We're outside right now and it's nighttime and it's freezing cold. Today we're going to be doing a video. We're going to be making the ultimate sled track. So we're going to make some walls on it. We need to improve this one that I started, and we're going to put some water on to make it ice. So hopefully it goes well.
Okay, so now we're going to start by building up the walls and just making it a little bit more of a secure sledding path.
Okay, well I'm just getting all the excess snow off so we don't get all snowy. Oh my goodness!
Hey guys, well I'm just going to flatten the snow on it before we put some water on it. We're also going to get some GoPro footage after too, so. It's a pretty good run there, bud. Good run.
Yeah, I didn't even. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna take a broom and get some hot water. We have some hot water here. We're gonna take it, stick it in, and brush the snow so it will get wet. And when we come out later, it's gonna be all ice and better to sled on. Okay, so it's been one hockey period, roughly 40 minutes or something. So the ice should be, or the water should be frozen over now. So we're gonna get some GoPro footage of us going down the hill with the sled.
Yeah, we were just watching Toronto lose right now, so.
They're losing one. Now the water's frozen over now, so let's go on our first run. I hit the side. Okay, attempt number 2. Oh, that's good.
Look pretty stupid right now.
Jump on. Ready? Are you ready?
I guess so.
Let's go.
Our destiny awaits.
Oh, I hope we didn't ruin the track. You have to go forward more.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Attempt number 2 at toboggan run.
guys, thanks for watching this video. We had a lot of fun doing it. If you're not subscribed yet, we encourage you to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.